Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another new reaction video. Since 2020, I guess, if I'm such a long gap of uh, break she's taking, and finally she's on big screen again. The music video is Nungshinabana Maruni. Is directed by Jeson Gurumayum, and the singer is the one and only melody queen of Manipur, Pusparani. And the cast of this music video is Dolly Gurumayum. Wow, my one and only crush. My crush. I've been waiting for her new music video for more than 3 years, and finally now I'll be seeing her new music video. So I'm super excited. And male actor is Thoiba RK, introducing Thoiba. So let's get started. Film by Jeson Gurumayum. Wow, look at her. See how cute is she? It's so good to be seeing her after such a long break. Her smile. Okay. This scene, if I'm not wrong, see, look at that. The intro scene is inspired from one of the most romantic Bollywood songs. If you guys remember, the song is uh, Pehli Barish, a cast by Neha Sharma, and I don't know the actor's name, RK Singh or something, Salman Khan brothers-in-law. Pehli is inspired from this. Figa smai hero mamai daga takat pakat se khot base loi inspired to kre. Madugi sin dagi madugi album dagi inspired to sin neba si, I can guarantee it. See? Aya. The perfect cast. Both the actors are so good looking. See? Inspired to kreba. Pehli baris ki ko sin gi inspire ngakta uwe ai gi mita. Okay. Maybe she's watching reels and then at the same time doing her watering plant. Oh hey. Okay, even this scene is inspired from a Bollywood songs again. This I don't know the name. Yeah, it's Kriti Sanon and Sushant Singh Rajput. Film is Rapta, I guess. Yeah, inspired from the Rapta films scene. Tum to derasar, from this scene. from that song, the scene is recreated. I'm such a Bollywood fan, so when someone's recreate the scene, I know. So yeah, see, you can go and check it out if you don't trust me. 'Cause this is good. Ooh. I can't express it how beautiful she is. Ming the Dolly oire masak na dol pura. Saukre. Okay. What? No way. I gonna I 파민나고 마탐다가 스마이 타워디 아이디 스마이 타워 할라래고 dolly나 nang inakta layirabada nang sumai taw ignore tawraga chatladi ba bro, it's a great loss for you, man. Sibuk phajaba nupi sida bo ignore tawba haibese you're missing a lot of chance mangabani nang ko. She was so happy. But then wow, oof. Red ka selak pa matang si di pa. Kya da phajare. Oh my god. Si di. Red. Hai sukana de. Phajare. Phajare adugo. Red na magun henhan leba masak to. The best costume till now in this music video. Red na why phajare. Phajare sidi. Both the actors have done a good job. The chemistry is top notch. I have seen this scene from the reels. Costume city fire tare. Quite pakpa se si oidene aigi. Adugo aigi favorite already red costume though. Because red is my favorite color and I love anything red. So obviously see your costume se okay. Phajare. Detail mayam se. Ooh. What? She was expecting a ring. She do like it. Maybe yeah, I will give her a ring. Bro is giving me a chance. acting yam haikre. Oh my god, look at her expression.
Nungshinabana Maruni
Why acting yam haikre? That's just romantic song. Directed by Jeson Gurumayum. Thoiba arc introducing to Orisho. Yeah, 이거 is good. 아니 이게 chemistry siya yung pala so romantic. Ama no, hindi ama no wate. It's so well sing. The most beautiful girl. Look at her dressing, look at her cute face, her voice, everything. Wow, I'm such a big fan of her. So that's my reaction video. I have enjoyed a lot. It's just a pleasure watching her. You know, quite possible costume sidigo. Last kido faze magonda yam pake. Aduga first kisu faze loi faze da. Thoiba yaudre loi faze. See you guys on the next video and do suggest me to react any other songs too. So yeah.